Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god. Okay, let me respect myself. My name is Catherine and you're welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Okay, I've been wanting to do YouTube for the longest time. Please don't be like me. If you want to do it, today is the day. Start and do it today. What will my channel be about? It will be about faith. So I'll be sharing like the different struggles that we go through and how I'm able to deal with them, just in hopes of inspiring someone out there to be a better person. Okay, for the beauty side of things, it will be more about natural hair and skincare. I love skincare a lot. And for the lifestyle part, it will be about food. I love food, you can tell. I like to concoct and mix all manner of things. But the thing is, I've just started to go. I just want, Jesus Christ is Lord. I've just started this healthy eating type of journey thing. It's a big struggle, but that's what I'm willing to share that with you guys so we can all shall learn and benefit from it. So I'll be doing vlogs. I'm not very sure, my life is not very interesting at this point, but if anything interesting happens, maybe I'll vlog it. I'm not sure, but I'll also share my fitness journey with you as well. That one is a big struggle too, but I'm willing to share. This channel is going to be about sharing my wins and my struggles as well, because we all know that nobody's perfect. So that's what the channel is going to be about. I mean, I love music too, and sometimes I used to feel like I can really sing, but I'm not sure how I can incorporate it into the channel, so I don't know. But for now, these are the types of videos you should expect to see from me. Basically faith, beauty and lifestyle. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any, what do you call it now, suggestions or questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or the types of videos that you would like to see. I'm open to hear them. You can let me know in the comment section, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. I will link my account below. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really do hope that you subscribe so you can watch the new videos that I will be uploading to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye. I'm a YouTube Pessy.